Hi, my name's Steve and welcome to the Seaside Allotment channel. And I thought I'd do a few videos on my favourite fruits and veggies, and not the obvious things, not things like tomatoes and peppers and whatever, things that are a little bit more unusual that we grow. So we're going to start with, I'll tell you in a minute. So this is probably my favourite polytunnel plant at this time of year, and this is Centercut Squash. It's very much like a trumpetino, but the fruits are just a little bit smaller and you get a few more of them as well. And I'm showing you it today because I've got my first fruits. I was kind of waiting for the flowers to open, expecting to see them after the flowers, but actually that's quite big already and the flower's not quite open. But that's not the only one. They are everywhere you look on here. Absolutely loads of little beauties. I'm super pleased. And this is just growing up the string, just being wound around like this. And when it reaches the top, I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do, because obviously I've got this space blanket on. But this is just fantastic. So let me just talk a bit about it. This is very much like courgettes, and this is my courgette outside now. Started in the polytunnel in late March. Very pleased with it. It's been really prolific. We've had loads and loads of courgettes off it. This is one of the things I love about the polytunnel, is you can just take plants outside as soon as it gets warm enough. Well, especially if you start them in containers, or only really if you start them in containers. So that's kind of a beauty. But the thing is with courgettes, you have seeds all the way along the length of it. Whereas with the Centercut squash, you only have seeds in that little bit of it, and so this part is seed free, and obviously it's going to be a lot bigger than that. And they grow pretty big. You can actually keep them, and the skins harden up, and so they're a multi-purpose, so you can use them as a winter squash as well. We've not tried that with the Centercut. The Centercut is new to us this year, but we've done it no end with the trumpettinos, and so we really love those. We just thought we would try this one, and I went a bit mad and put 3 plants in here, thinking that I would just snip 1 or 2 of them out and leave the strongest ones to grow on, but they all grew on so well I just couldn't bring myself to cut it out. And so I thought, well, let's just try it at this density and just see what happens. I love this plant. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. I'll see you soon.